Welcome. I've got a great huge ZARA haul for you and I can't wait to show you what I've got. I've got lots of stuff. Hi guys, welcome back to Madeitstylish.adanze. I'm so glad that you're here and you're tuning back again, and it's really great to see you all. Welcome. Really hope everyone's keeping well, and I know we're going through some tough times right now, and nothing really in this life is permanent. And I'm not a big guru, but I just wanted to say that, you know, just a positive way of looking at things, that nothing lasts forever. We're 2 weeks into lockdown now, and we're going to be out next week getting on with life. We just need to keep moving and keep positive, because that's how we can change things. So that being said, let's get on with the haul. Okay, so this is my first item from ZARA, and it's this kind of knit arm warmers, they're called. Heavily ribbed, so quite thick ribbing, a cinched in sleeve. It fits rather nicely, it's very comfortable. This is a medium size, and I find it very useful to put over dresses, like I put it over this one, which you'll shortly see. And I just think it's really great, because if you wanted to wear a jacket and you have sort of a dress, a sleeveless or summer dress, you could put this over it and you can put your coat on. So I actually thought this was very useful, and I love the design. This was $17.99. It's a medium, and it's an absolutely great addition to your wardrobe. It's very useful. I've kind of paired it with this dress, which I've got from Day. I did promise you a sort of weekday haul. I didn't pick too many items from them because I didn't really see that much at this point in time, but I do like their store, and basically it's just H&M really. I didn't realize that at the time when I first sort of encountered some of their stuff, but this is a size 42, and it's called a Noemi dress, and I'm going to link it down below. If you look in the description box, it's got two dresses, which is basically linking you to an orange dress and a black dress. This one unfortunately is out of stock, and this I bought on the sale for £18, but the style is obviously the same, and it's really lovely heavy satin, and it feels lovely on, so that was why I bought it. So okay guys, the next item was this green knitwear, which I picked up in a size large, and I basically bought it to match with my green trousers and my green top, which I bought from ZARA actually quite a while back. I'll show you the two together, and this was a large, and this was $25.99. It's comfortable on. I love the buttons. They match up quite nicely because of these buttons, and I also like the fact that it's kind of crossover, so it's asymmetric, and it has a sort of slightly edgy look to normal knitwear because of the design. So great purchase. I'm definitely keeping this one, and I've paired it first with just some jeans, and then also with this outfit that I bought. Was this brown dress, which I saw in the shop actually, and I kind of looked at it and I almost bought it, but then I thought, maybe not. It's knitwear, but it has a hood. I guess the hood, I wasn't sure about the hood, but then later on I saw it online again. I thought, you know what, I'm actually going to buy this because it looks different and it looks nice. This was $29.99, and it's a large size. I love this dress. It's really comfortable. It's great for what's happening at the moment, because it's nice to have something that, you know, you can have something with a hood basically. So it's not that big a hood, so it comes over almost like a little beanie hat. The length of the dress is not very long, but it's very comfortable fabric, and I love this one. This is great. Great purchase for $25.99. Excellent. You put this on with some boots and you're good to go. the next item, guys, was this jacket, which I absolutely love and I snagged on sale, and I thought it was beautiful. Basically tweed jacket, but it's got some shiny threads going through it, and really beautiful. It has sort of these buttons in the front which are leather and covered, which gives a nice detail to the jacket. This was $25.99, extra large. Very comfortable, quite light on. In the winter I would have to wear this with, you know, sort of maybe a black turtleneck, which I have done, and it matches up brilliantly. And great jacket, guys, absolutely love it. It's also got again detailing on the buttons on the sleeve, so it just has such a lovely finish, and it's great again with leather trousers. I haven't tried them on with leather. See this on, this is great. This may not be in stock at the moment, but I thought, you know, I'd better show it to you. It may well be. I will link it down below if it is, and yeah. Okay, next item was the coated trousers, which I'm wearing. They're black, and I'm showing them to you just now, and they are $12.99. They were in the sale as well, and absolute bargain. The two together match very well, so I'll show you. Okay, so I've been on the lookout for a really nice puffer, and this came from Reserved. I went through H&M, I went through Zara, and I finally decided on this one, and this was $79.99, and I absolutely love the hood. And the material is a little, it's not that soft as I had expected it to be. I love the length, and I love the little zips on the side, which are really great. That's such a great detail, and you'll see it on as well. It has sort of a high zip up neck, so it looks like you've got a jacket inside, and then of course you've got this really wide hood which has these beautiful pulls, lovely pulls at the side, so you can actually make it smaller or bigger if you like. I actually like it quite open. Unfortunately, the arms are just a bit short for me, and this is the only size it comes in. It comes in a 14, so I'm not quite sure whether I want to take it back. I absolutely love the hood. I can live with the fact that the material is not quite as soft as I thought it would be. If you're not as tall as me and you haven't got long arms, this is just an excellent choice for a puffer. Next item are these shoes, which are from Zara. They were on sale, and they have such a beautiful heel. I've been looking for this color because it matches very well with a bum bag that I have, and also a dress. This kind of rusty brown color, I feel right now is so popular and so warm, really nice, brings such a nice tone to your outfits, this color. This was, I think, $25.99, and it's real suede, and I absolutely just love these shoes. I love the kind of sort of slight square end, and then this kind of pointy. Next item was from Reserved, and I paired it with this belt and this sort of satin material. Quite large arms. This was $29.99. I've got this in a size large. It has ruching in the front, and also it's kind of got this bit here which has no ruching right in the middle. I don't know why they did that actually, because it is quite superfluous to requirements. So yeah, I don't understand that. They had such a beautiful design, but I loved it. I absolutely love it. It's not so comfortable because the ribbing, the sort of the elastic, if you see underneath, you can actually see it, and that goes on your skin, and it's not really uncomfortable, but just a little, you can certainly feel it. It's not like a smooth feel on your skin, but it's not an uncomfortable feel per se. I love the top anyway, but I wouldn't wear it without a belt, so you do need a belt, and I've got this one which, like I say, I've matched with it. So this was just from a boutique store down my high street, so I'm not going to link that one up, but any large belt will work with this top, and it's beautiful because the ruching as well on the bottom. If you've got a little bit of a tummy like me, this ruching kind of flares out at the bottom, so it really does help to flatter the tummy area. It doesn't come like flat down on your tummy, and it is actually quite flattering. Great top from Reserved, which I was raving about in my last haul, and I picked this one up for $29.99. Please see it on. The next item was this beautiful shirt dress from Reserved, and this was, I think, $34.99, and I've got this in a size 14, and this feels lovely on. It's the right length, it's a nice fit, and I love the detail of the buttons. They've been covered up, which is great. They are a bit difficult to kind of do up, but I can live with that. It's very light fabric. It's not a heavy sort of feel to it, but it's really great on, and it's very useful. I love the color and I love the pattern, and I think it's kind of, you know, the orange gives a little bit of, you know, brightness to quite a few door clothes we would normally have in the autumn, and sometimes you just need a bit of, you know, something a little bit bright, and this is great. I really love this. They still have this all fully in stock, and it's a beautiful shirt, a beautiful dress shirt. The price is great, and yeah, it's comfortable, and I really like this one. Item is this jacket, which I picked up in the sale. It was about £24, and I thought it was such a bargain, and they still have them in stock. Again from Reserved, this was £24.99 in the sale, and I absolutely wanted to have this because I bought this dress some time ago, which is a velvet dress from ZARA. I've never really kind of got good wear out of it, and I thought that this would do the job, and I absolutely love this. I've tried it on and I've matched them together, and I love the pairing of these two items. And for a sequin jacket for £24.99, come on guys, I mean, I couldn't, you know, this is, and it looks really nice. It doesn't look cheap or anything. It really does look nice on. The sequin as well, the fabric itself is not rough to the touch, even on the front side of it, so it's, you know, it's really great buy, this one. Loving it. The next item is this jacket, which I've got from Bershka, again on sale. This was £24.99, and the fabric, lovely feel, very light. A lot of these jackets I sometimes find can be very heavy. This is very cropped though. All the sort of hardware on it is all silver. It's got this sort of still more of this kind of fur at the end of the arms, quite long arms, which is great for me. So I'm very happy about that. and I loved it because I wanted it to match with something. If you head over to Instagram, guys, you'll see where I matched up with this lace dress which I've had for quite a while, which comes from Freedom People, and this and that together look absolutely fantastic. So yeah, great purchase for $24.99. You know, and Bershka really they're very good at crop jackets. I found I've got quite a few in the summer, and they just get it absolutely spot on. They really do. So I know it's quite a youngish website, but actually it's just actually, you know what, I'll let you in on a secret, which is that Bershka and ZARA, same people. You know, sometimes I think ZARA actually they put some stuff out on Bershka, and later on you see it in ZARA, so you may not see it the exact same style, but they've certainly started to try out some of their styles in Bershka. That's just my feeling, you know. Don't quote me, but that's what I think. Next up is this bag, and this I bought from Phoenix when they were doing a 50% off just before lockdown, and I purchased this just before, and they still have this in stock, and this is such a great purchase, guys. I mean, it's just, I use this almost all the time now. It's got a crossbody handle, and then you can just put that around your shoulder just like that. Very, very comfortable bag. And for £130, I think it was reduced from about £250. And this is from Gianni, Chiarini. Wow, Italy, of course, but very well made bag, really. I mean, there was quite a few high-end bags as well on sale, which I could have purchased, and I actually took time to kind of go through quite a few of them, and I just couldn't get away from this one. I thought, this is so useful. I mean, I use this now every single day. I really do, guys. And look, it's still got my stuff in it, and yeah, and look at the inside. It's all leather. It's a lovely feel, and wonderful bag. Particularly now during lockdown. I mean, I could go on all day about this bag, so I've got to put it down. Right, okay. Next item was this bag from Phoenix, again on their 50% sale just before lockdown, and I grabbed this one from DKNY. Beautiful bag. I haven't actually used it yet, but I fully intend to. And but they're all kind of summery, and this one, because it's kind of just slightly off-white, I think it would be nice to use this in winter time for when I wear white, and I do often wear quite a bit of white, and I love that bit of detail in the front. It just looks quite high-end, and this was very reasonable purchase, reduced from £200 to £100, and I like this one. Thanks, guys, for watching my video, and I really appreciate you tuning in and through looking at all of the stuff that I bought, and I'm so glad that you did, and I'm glad you stayed to the end if you did, and I really look forward to seeing you again soon. Please don't forget to look at my Instagram, subscribe to my channel, that is Madeitstylish.adanze, and like my channel, because then I can post more great videos for you. I'll push the notification bell so that you can always know when I have a video that's uploaded, and I really look forward to see you again. Please keep well and happy and positive.